7. In the previous class we have seen exercise 5, that is exponent and powers. We have started it and 5a is done for you all, and today we are going to start the new exercise, that is exercise 5b. In 5b we have to study about laws of exponent. So let us see what are the laws of exponent. Laws of exponent. What are the laws of exponents? Here you have to see few laws are there. Number 1, if x to the power m is multiplied by x to the power n, the result will be x to the power m plus n. That means if base are same, then in case of multiplication powers are added. This is called the first law of exponent. And second, if x to the power n divided by x to the power n, it can be written as x to the power m minus n. Here the meaning of this, that if base are same, in case of division powers are subtracted. And the third law is there, x to the power m to the power n, that means x to the power m into n, that is mn. Mn means m into n, that means power to the power multiplied. Power to the power multiplied. You should take care that here m and n are the non-zero numbers. That means m and n should not be 0 or x should not be 0. So here you have to take care that for any x, here x is any non-zero integer. X is any non-zero integer and m and n both are positive integers. So here if the simply you have to understand like that if the bases are same, in case of multiplication powers are added. If the bases are same, in case of division powers are subtracted and power to the power multiplied. Then another rule is there, that power 0 means value 1. Any number is having power 0, its value is 1. So any number with power 0, its value is 1. Then few more terms are there, but the special rules are there. And one more rule I am going to show you. If I am writing x to the power minus m, it can be written as 1 upon x to the power m. That means negative power is showing about the reciprocal of a number. If any number is having negative power, that means we have to write its meaning is reciprocal of x. So if it is written x to the power minus m, I can write 1 upon x to the power m. If any other number we are having, suppose I am writing x upon y to the power minus m, it can be written as y upon x to the power m. These are the some special cases for any fraction. If you are having a fraction and it is having negative power, that means what you will do, you will just write the reciprocal of that number x by y is there, and here power is negative, so I can write it y by x, and this negative power will be omitted. It will be taken away from here. So like that, suppose I am writing if a to the power x multiplied by b to the power x, then you can write here a b to the power x. That means a into b, you can write a into b, and if the powers are same, that means power can be taken as common because x is the power. These are not the rule, these are some of the understanding you have to understand, and it will be applicable when you will solve the question. So just write it down, these rules, and along with that some special cases also written over there, you can copy it down. Now I am going to show you the questions related to these rules. So for that I am going exercise 5b. Okay. So in 5b, look at the question. and go through the questions and now think that where these rules are applicable. In doing this exercise, how you can apply these rules. So here question number 1, match the following. Match the following, you can match 10 lakh means what? That you have to match. So one number question I am leaving for you, you can match it. I am starting from question number 2 onward. So here question number 2 is there. Question number 2, simplify the following using the laws of exponent. Here question A, that is 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 25 and it is multiplied by 5 to the power 2. So you need to simplify using the laws of exponent. How you can simplify this question? You can see here that it is 5 to the power 2. I am going to copy it down, and 25 means, you know, 25 means 5 into 5. So I can write it 5 to the power 2, and here it is also 5 to the power 2. So here you are having how many 5s? So all the bases are same, 5, 5, 5. You check the base. So and this is the case of multiplication, so all the powers should be added, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Further I can write here 5 to the power 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. So it will be 5 to the power 6. You can write your answer like this. This form is suitable to write the answer like that. You try in doing question number B. Okay, so question number B you have to do by yourself. Just you try in doing question number 2B. Or you can multiply. So you can multiply. Now 5 to the power 6, you can keep your answer like that also, and but in your book the answer is written in other form. That means you need to multiply. Just you multiply, write 5 6 times and multiply it. See, 6 times 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now 125 into 125, make the group 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125, and here also 125. So 125 into 125 you do, and after multiplying you will have your answer, that is 15625. That is 15625. Like that you have to multiply and write your answer. But most of the cases we are writing the answer till here itself, that 5 to the power 6 we are writing here answer. In the same way 5 to the power 6 you can keep your answer here. Sometimes it is mentioned in the question that write your answer in exponential form itself. So when it has been told you to write the answer in exponential form, you can keep your answer till 5 to the power 6. Or if it is written simply over there, that simplify, then you have to write the answer after multiplying these terms. So 5A I have done. I hope that 5B you have done. Now check that how you have done 5B. So B number question, what is there? 10 to the power 8. It is written 10 to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 6. Now you can see the bases are same, and here it is the case of subdivision. So in case of division, if the bases are same, power can be subtracted. So it will be 10 to the power 2, and further you can write 10 into 10, and that is equal to 100. That is equal to 100. So you have to remember all the rules of exponent. Without that rule you cannot solve the question, or if you are going to solve it, then you will have to face so many problems. So once again I am repeating, in question number B, what I have did here, I have checked the base. I can see the bases are 10. The base are 10, and there is the division sign, and by the second law of exponent which I have written there, that if the bases are same, in case of division, the power is subtracted. So here I have written 8 minus 6. So 8 minus 6 is giving you 2. Now 10 to the power 2 means 10 into 10, and that is going to be 100. Like that you can solve these questions. Now I am going to show you one more question here, that is D number. In question number D, what is written there? Just copy down question number D, and first of all you try to solve it by yourself. Then you can match it what I am doing over there. So D number question is there. In D number question it is there, it is 12 to the power 3 multiplied by 4 into 3, then to the power 2 upon 3 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 2. So now what to do? First of all, I am going to multiply this 4 into 3, it will give you 12. It will give you 12. So what will happen? I can multiply, then I can write it. And here also you can see the powers are same. So I can write it 3 into 4 to the power 2. Now here you can see as 12 is the base, both the base are same. So I can write 12 to the power 3 plus 2, and at the down it is 12 to the power 2. Further it can be written as 12 to the power 5 upon 12 to the power 2. And as you know, here upon means division. I can write it 12 to the power 5 minus 2, that will be written as 12 to the power 3. 5 minus 2 means 3, 12 to the power 3, and it means 12 into 12 into 12. Further you need to multiply 12 into 12 will give you 144, and if you will multiply it by 12 it will be 8, 8, 2, 4, 4, 1. It will be 8. So you will get the answer 1728. So 12 into 12 into 12 is coming 1728. So you can write your answer 1728, and that is the answer. So how I have solved this question? Once again I am going to repeat what I have did. I have seen there was 12 to the power 3 and it is multiplied by 4 into 3. So I know that 4 into 3 is going to be 12, and here also at the denominator I have seen that here 3 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 2 was there. So as both the powers are 2, so I have taken this time power as common. So 3 into 4 and to the power 2 I can write. So 3 4s are 12. Now here at the numerator, here 12 and here 12, that means bases are same, and it is the case of multiplication. So power should be added. So 3 plus 2 becomes 5, and here at down at the denominator 3 4s are 12 to the power 2. Now 12 to the power 5 divided by 12 to the power 2, so power can be subtracted. So 12 to the power 5 minus 2 I can write, that is 12 to the power 3, and 12 to the power 3 means 12 into 12 into 12. So after multiplying you are having 1728, and this is the answer. So like that you can do question number 2D. Now I am moving to question number 3. So in 3 number also you can apply the rules of exponent. Here in exponents, in the question, if the questions are there on the theme of exponent, you have to use the formula there and you can solve those questions. So here question number 3 is there. Let us see question 3a first. Here 3a to the power 7 multiplied by b to the power 10, then it is multiplied by c to the power 3, and then here it is b to the power 4 and multiplied by a to the power 6. Here you can see that numbers are a mixture of variable and constant. So what can be done here? Here 3 you at first you take 3 separately. 3 into a to the power 7, 3 a to the power 7 means 3 into a to the power 7, and here a to the power 6 is there. That means I can write it a to the power 6, you can write it like that. Then multiplied by b to the power 10, and I can write b to the power 4. Then I can write multiplied by c to the power 3. Why I have written it like that? So that you can easily understand that a to the power 7 is there and a to the power 6 is there. So if I will write it together like that, you can understand it very nicely that here a to the power 7 is divided by a to the power 6. Like this, here b to the power 10 is there. So b to the power 10, and here it is divided by b to the power 4. Then c to the power 3 is there. So I can write it like this. Then further I can write 3 into a to the power 7 minus 6 into b to the power 10 minus 4 and into c to the power 3. Now you can see that here I can apply the laws of exponent, and as it is the case of division, so powers should be subtracted. So here 7 minus 6 means just a to the power 1, no need to write power 1, because if no power is written, that means it is 1 itself. Here b to the power I can write 10 minus 4 means 6, and here c to the power 3. So it is the answer only, no need to do anything, no need to write anything further. So like that you can just group the like terms together. Like term means with a you need to write a, with b you need to write b, with c you need to write c. Like that you have to make a group of like terms, and you can apply the laws of exponent to solve such type of questions. So here question number A I have done, B I am giving you to do by yourself. One more question I am taking, this time I am going to take question number C from here. So C number question is there, 4 to the power 2, 4 to the power 2 and its power 3, then it is multiplied by 4 to the power 3 and its power is 2 and upon 4 to the power 2, then its power 2, then 1 upon 4 to the power 5 is there. So it is written like that. Okay, 4 to the power 2 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3 and to the power 2, 4 to the power 2 and again to the power 2 and into 1 by 4 to the power 5. So let us see what to do this question. Here power to the power multiply. First of all I can write 4 to the power 3 to the 6 and here 4 to the power 3 to the 6 upon 4 to the power 4 multiplied by 1 to the power 5. 1 to the power 5 means 5, or 1 by 4 can be written as 4 to the power minus 1. So I can write 4 to the power minus 1 and to the power 5. One thing should be very clear, that if I am writing 1 by 2 it means 2 to the power minus 1. If I am writing 1 by 4 it means 4 to the power minus 1. If I am writing 1 by x it means x to the power minus 1. So just you need to write it down and keep it, this laws of exponent in your mind always, so that you can use it while doing question. If I am writing 1 by 4 it means 4 to the power minus 1. So I can write here like that. Then further here 4 to the power 6 plus 6 I can write here 12, or if you are feeling any problem then you can just write it like this, and here 4 to the power 4 and multiplied by 4 to the power minus 1 into 5 means minus 5. Now further you can write 4 to the power 12, 4 to the power 12 and minus 4, 12 minus 4 and multiplied by 4 to the power minus 5. That will be 4 to the power 12 minus 4 is giving you 8, and here plus you can write minus 5. Then further you can write 4 to the power 8 minus 5 means 3. So 4 to the power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 4 ja 16 and 4 ja 64, and that will be answer. So like that I have applied the rules of exponent, the laws of exponent to solve the question. You also learn all these laws and apply these laws when you are solving these questions. In that way you will feel easy to solve it. Now 3 number remaining questions I am giving you as homework. You should do those questions. Now further you see question number 4. Write the exponential form for 25 into 25 into 25 taking 5 as the base. So how to do this question number 4? Let us see. Now take so question number 4 is there. Write the exponential form for 25. This is 4. 25 into 25 into 25. You need to write it in exponential form taking 5 as base. Means 25 means you know it can be written 5 to the power 2. 25 means 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2. Further you can write 5, 2 plus 2 plus 2, and it is 5 to the power 6, and that is your answer. Like that it is changed. Like this question 5 can be done, question 6 can be done. In the same way you can do. Then question number 7. What is the value of n if, now question number 7 I am going to show you. Here in question number 7 it is written that 3 to the power 4 and to the power 5 is equal to 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2 and whole to the power n. Then they are asking that what is the value of n. How to do this question? 3 to the power I can write 20. 5 4 ja 20, and here 3 to the power 2n. Here if both the side, if base are same, that means powers are also same. You can write here comparing both side. You need to write comparing on both side, on both sides. Then 2n is equal to 20, or that means n equal to 20 upon 2. You can cancel it, so its value is coming 10. So therefore you can write n equal to 10, and that is your answer. So like that you can do this question, n equal to 10. In this way question number 7 can be done. So 7 number question can be done. Like that 8 number can also be done. You can do question number 8 also in the same way how I have shown you question number 7. Like that you can do question number 8 also. One more question I am going to show you. This time I am going to take question number 9b. So just you see question number 9, then 9b. What is the question in 9b? In 9b you can see that the question is 125 multiplied by 5 to the power 3, and it is multiplied by t to the power 6 and upon 10 to the power 3 multiplied by t square, and it is written simplify. So how we have solved the previous questions, like that only you need to do it. First of all, here 125 is there. 125 means 5 to the power 3. So 5 into 5 into 5 is going to give you 125 multiplied by 5 to the power 3, then t to the power 6 upon 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 means you understand that 10 means 2 into 5. 10 means 2 into 5, and here to the power 3, and here t square. First of all, you try to write all the components of this question in its least exponential form, that change the number into its prime factors, and then you can find its power. So 5 to the power 3 and 3, 5 to the power 6, I can write directly 5 to the power 6 as 3 plus 3 becomes 6, and into I can write t to the power 6 minus 2. I can write 6 minus 2. Why? Because t to the power 6 upon t to the power 2, that is the case of division. If the powers are same, in case of division power can be subtracted. So 6 minus 2 I can write, then add down, here I can write 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 only, because this t is gone already. Now here 5 to the power 6 and 5 to the power 3, so I can write 5 to the power 6 minus 3 and into t to the power 6 minus 2 means 4 upon 2 to the power 3. How it has been written here? Let us think one more time. Here 3 plus 3 becomes 5 to the power 6 and t to the power 6 is written over there. Then what is done? T to the power 6 and t to the power 2. It is the case of division. So in case of division power is subtracted. So 6 minus 2 is written there, and here 2 to the power 3 and into 5 to the power 3 is written. Further here 5 to the power 6 is there, and here 5 to the power 3 is there. So it is the case of division, so power is subtracted. So 6 minus 3 is written. Then further it can be written as 5 to the power 3, then t to the power into t to the power 4 and upon 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, just one time you copy, then you can write your answer. 5 to the power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5, that is coming to be 125. T to the power 4 upon 2 into 2 into 2 means 8, and it will be the answer. So like this you need to apply all the rules of exponent to do such these questions or such type of questions. So 5b, the remaining sums I am giving you as a homework. Now question number 10 also you can see, simplify and express each of the following in the exponential form. That means everywhere the theme is same. So let me show few questions from 10 number also. So in 10 number question what is there? Let me show you few questions from 10 number also, so that you can do those questions as your homework. Okay. So question number 10 is there. In that question you need to solve and write the answer in exponential form. So 10 number question A, 10A, it is there. 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 5 into 8 upon 3 to the power 2 into 16. What to do? Here I can write 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 5. For 8 I can write 2 to the power 3, and here 3 to the power 2 is there, and for 16 I can write 2 to the power 4, because 16 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means when you multiply 4 times 2 you will have 16. So instead of 16 I can write 2 to the power 4. Now here 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 3, that means both the power will be added. 4 plus 3, 7, and into 3 to the power 5. Here just you need to copy down, but I am going to change its way of writing. I can write it like that, so that you can see here that 2 to the power 7 and 4, that means 2 to the power 7 minus 4 and multiplied by 3 to the power 5 minus 2. Further, it can be written as 2 to the power 7 minus 4 means 3 and 3 to the power 3. Further, you can write your answer like this: 2 into 3 to the power 3, that is 6 to the power 3. You can write your answer there like that, because in the question it has been told to write the answer in exponential form. So like that you can write your answer. So A number is done for you. Now one more question, this time D number question I am going to show you. It is 3 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0 plus 6 to the power 0. I can write here 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means it is 3, and 3 means 3 to the power 0. So I can write here answer in exponential form 3 to the power 0, because it has been told to write the answer in exponential form. So 3 means I can write 3 means 3 only. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 means 3. That can be written as 3 to the power 1, not 0. So in exponential form you want to write 3, that means it can be written as 3 to the power 1. Like this you can do the remaining questions of this question number 10. So I am going to stop here, and question number 10 is your homework. In the next coming class I am going to show you exercise 5C. Till then you have to do question number exercise 5C, do all the questions and send to me. Thank you for today.